Okay, now that you send your products to Amazon and you sold some products, you have one really good question probably. When do I get paid? And how Amazon's pay me? So this is really easy, guys, because when you create your Amazon account, 14 days after that is your first pay period. And after that is every 14 days, if you have any remaining balance on your seller account on the Amazon website, they will transfer this money to your bank account. So it's that simple. Basically, every 14 days, you will have a new check from Amazon or a new EFT, a new electronic transfer to your bank account from Amazon. So what you need to make sure is when you register your seller account, you can go to settings and you can enter your bank account, your routing number, account number, so Amazon can verify that, and the next pay period, they can just deposit the money for you, okay? So take a look on that and wait for the money.